Engine options will include a turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder or a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6. All-wheel drive is standard and all GV70 models are equipped with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's a Genesis model that usually pumps out even a base model full of luxury features, making the GV70 a value player in the bustling luxury compact SUV market. The GV70 is a new model for the Genesis brand. As Genesis' first entrant in the red-hot compact luxury SUV segment, the GV70 faces fierce competition from SUVs such as the BMW X3, Mercedes-Benz GLC Class, and the Volvo XC60. The GV70 will be available with a turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine or a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine. The 4-cylinder serves as the entry-level engine and produces 300 HP while the V6 produces 375 HP and will be offered exclusively on the Sport model. While manual transmission is offered with 4 turbos in the G70 sedan, the GV70 will continue to use the 8-speed automatic as standard equipment. All-wheel drive is standard. The most efficient GV70 model, according to the EPA, is the one with the turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that scores 22 mpg city and 28 mpg highway ratings. The twin-turbo V6 scores 19 mpg city and 25 mpg highway ratings. The cabin design of the GV70 is bolder than its larger sibling, the GV80, and the outlines on the exterior carry over to the interior for a cohesive look. Smooth material lines the inside and the nicely curved glass slide knob looks and feels luxurious. A common complaint about the G70 sedan is that the rear seats are cramped, and the GV70 has more room to offer rear seat riders extra legroom, but it's still not very roomy. More cargo capacity, but we'll have to wait to see how the GV70 will compare to major rivals like the Audi Q5, X3, and the GLC class in testing. The GV70 adopts the infotainment setup of the larger GV80 SUV, meaning a large widescreen infotainment screen grows out of the dashboard with a clickwheel controller mounted on the center console. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot are all standard features. A high-end Lexicon stereo system is available as an option. Driver assistance features such as automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control and lane guard assistance are all present and accounted for. For more information on the results of the GV70 crash test, visit the websites of the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS. The Genesis brand offers excellent warranty coverage that extends significantly longer than most other premium automakers. The GV70 comes with powertrain coverage of up to 10 years or 100,000 miles and free scheduled maintenance for 3 years or 36,000 miles. The Jaguar F-Pace offers the same bumper-to-bumper coverage and longer maintenance free, but the powertrain policy is almost half that of this Genesis.